What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Pro Polishers Academy, where we help paint correctors like you turn your systems into consistency by moving you through the learning curves faster, utilizing formulas that work without fail. I'm Smitty, owner of Modern Pro Polish here in Fayetteville, North Carolina, and I'll be your lead instructor. Let's get into it. So on today's what not to do in paint correction, never tell a customer that you're going to give them a 100% paint correction. It's going to be 100% flawless. Never tell them that, because some defects are just not going to come out, even on a brand new vehicle. I'm working on something right now that's brand new, that's got some defects in it from a car wash and from the dealership that I'm just not going to be able to get out. So if you can't say that for a brand new vehicle, you definitely can't say that for an older vehicle. So I always tell people, it'll be 90 to 95% paint correction. It might even be 99% paint correction. You just never tell them 100% because you're not spraying fresh paint. There are some things that customers are going to expect to come out of there when you tell them 100% paint correction. Even when you walk that vehicle with the customer for 30 minutes, there's some stuff that they're looking at that they're not even bringing up to you, but in their minds they're like, okay, yeah, he'll be able to get that. And you looked at it and said, okay, they know that's not coming out. And right there you have miscommunication. And that 100% paint correction conversation is what threw the game off. So never tell them 100%. Always find the things that you know will not come out. And even if you know it'll come out, just tell them this might not. Be modest about it so that when it does come out, they will be even more overjoyed when they pick the vehicle up. But it's always good to have realistic expectations when doing paint correction. So never set yourself up for failure. There was a scratch on a car we were just looking at, and it looked like it would come out, but it was more a crease when we started looking at it a little bit closer. So can't do anything about that. You have to be as realistic as possible so that nobody tries to talk you down on your money, so that nobody leaves you a bad review and tells the rest of the world that you raised expectations and dropped the ball. So just save yourself the headache. So that's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. The paint is waiting on you. Peace.